Welcome back, everybody. Today's repair is a food drop-in display, three-tiered. What happens is the area here to catch the tray is broken and they fall through. So I cut two stainless steel square rings and I'm attaching them to what little meat is left on the bone and using that to catch the trays and holding them in place. It doesn't look perfect, but once the trays are in there, the customer is not going to really see it or really notice it, but it will. At least it will make my fellow employees happy that their food isn't dropping in the three-tiered container unit. So yeah, that is today's fix. Thanks for watching.